students, this is Aishwarya from Questioncloud. So you're very much familiar with the name Questioncloud. So they are the India's largest online test portal. So I'm here working with them for about 3 years. So why I'm here now? So they have started a new video learning process. So I'm here to teach you biology, which is my favorite subject. I know most of you like zoology more than botany. So here biology consists of 2 volumes, one 11th portion which consists of 23 chapters and second volume 12th portion which consists of 16 chapters, which is more consists of theoretical and quite dry than your 11th portion. So don't worry, be chill. Here I am going to teach you in a very simple manner and understandable manner. So stay tuned with us to connect and watch more videos. We are going to see what are the hormones that can be secreted by other than your endocrine glands. So other than your endocrine glands, your organs like your heart, kidney and gastrointestinal tract can also secrete a trace amount of hormones in our blood. So we are going to see what are those hormones. So hormones that can be secreted by some tissues which are not endocrine glands. So the number one what we are going to see is a heart. So for example, the arterial wall of our heart, they are going to secrete a very important peptide hormone and they are called as your arterial natriuretic factor, which is going to decreases your blood pressure. So what happens when your ANF is going to decrease your blood pressure? So this blood pressure changes your ANF that is going to secreted when causes dilation of blood vessels. Just imagine when your blood vessel is going to be decreased. So what will happen when the flow of blood vessel, the blood flow is going to be decreased, there will be increase or there will be dilation of your blood vessels. So this reduces this blood pressure. So the second one is going to be a kidney. So here the kidney juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney are going to secrete a peptide hormone and that is going to be called as your erythropoietin. So what does mean by erythropoiesis? So erythropoiesis is nothing but which is going to be the formation of your RBC. Endocrine cells that are going to be present in different parts of your gastrointestinal tract secrete 4 major peptide hormones. So what are the 4 major group of peptide hormones? Are nothing but your gastrin, secretin, cholecystokinin and your gastric inhibitory peptide. We have discussed everything in brief. Hope everyone are clear what we have discussed. So we'll see in next topic. Thank you.